Hello dear friends, today we are gonna learn number format drop down. What is it and how to use it? Let me explain it to you. First is journal. Journal is normal. For example, it in a percentage, so it will be like this. Now I'm gonna use the journal. Just click on journal. You'll see it is normal as I wrote. And now the second is number in picture. For example, we have Siri, this one. And now I selected it, and now I'm gonna change the format of it in number. So what is it? You can see the digits with zeros after point. We're gonna give the digits. Also, you can give the digit from here, but it is not as powerful as that is. Okay. The next one is in drop down. You can see if you click on it. So there is currency. Click on it and see there is the dollar sign where you can see that this is money. If you want to change it before like journal, it is normal. See this. You can see the result of these three things. And then there is something is short date and long date. What does it mean? Now when you see it, this is short date normal. If I do it on long date or short date, first of all we need to do long date. When I click on it, you can see this is too long. When I auto convert, so you see there's name and then month and then date and then year. To switch it into short date, just click on it and then go to the drop down. Just click on short date. Now this is normal as it was before. To use the time format. For example, if I clicked on it, you can see this is now in time format, but time was not correct. If I do it, so you can see how is it changing. Wait, but this is not as capable as it should be. So I don't think this is powerful for you. And then another thing is percentage. Just click on percentage. You'll see the sign of percentage with your data digits. Okay. Go on the fraction. You'll see this is somehow changed, but they are come to the again after selecting drop down and scientific. You'll see this is with plus icons, but in formula bar this is normal. But here to here and do journal because it will switch your format. So like this way you can use this number format drop down for your mathematics use. So thank you to all of you who watch this video. Subscribe to the channel.